Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a gear shifter on a Chevy Silverado. Many owners experience a loose shifter or difficulty engaging gears. This common problem is often caused by a worn-out shift cable bushing or a faulty shifter assembly. Addressing this issue promptly can prevent further damage and ensure your truck shifts smoothly. We will focus on an easy, cost-effective method to get your shifter working like new. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a pair of pliers, a T30 Torx bit, and a flat blade screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so always ensure your Silverado is in park with the parking brake firmly set. For added security, place wheel chocks around the tires. Remember to disconnect the negative terminal of your battery to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. The most common easy fix involves replacing a small plastic bushing. First, locate the shift cable connection, either under the steering column or where it connects to the transmission. Use a flat blade screwdriver to carefully pry off the old, broken bushing. To install the new bushing, you might use a 6-inch C-clamp and a 13mm socket to press it firmly into place. This ensures a secure and lasting connection. Once the new bushing is installed, reconnect the shift cable to the lever, making sure it is securely attached. Reconnect your battery and then test the shifter's operation. With your foot on the brake, cycle through all the gears from park to low several times. Verify that each gear engages smoothly and that the shifter handle feels firm without any excessive looseness or play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.